Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a foundation wear test. And we're gonna be trying the new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I'm going to do my whole makeup, do a couple of checkups, and see how the makeup wears during the day. I'm filming this super early in the morning. I'm sorry if I have bags in my eyes. So without any further ado, let's get started. I wanted to bring this video because it's been a long time since I did a foundation review and wear test. So since this foundation right now is super popular, a lot of people are loving it, a lot of people are talking about it, I really wanted to try it out. I bought it and got it last week. Let's see how I like it. I already prepped my skin. What I did was I used a little bit of this vitamin C radiance serum and then apply a little bit of SPF using Fenty Skin SPF product. And now let's do the foundation. Hopefully I like it. This is supposed to be a radiance foundation, very lightweight, minimal coverage. What I've seen around is very skin-like. So I really love those type of foundations for everyday use. Nars I love their foundations. Actually, they're pretty good. Like, they have a good range for all of the skin types and also skin tones. I love their range of skin tones. They have great undertones for everybody. So I'm super satisfied with their foundations. The only one I didn't like was, I'm gonna find down for you and maybe put a picture here. This has been the only one that I didn't like much because I think it was too thick and very matte in consistency. So it was kind of hard to work out. I see that this one is very liquid. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. This brush is pretty good for foundation. And let's see how I like this one. Hopefully this becomes my new favorite from the brand. I see that definitely it's not a full coverage foundation. I still see the glow that I already have in my skin. So that's a good thing. I always prep my face with moisturizers and serums. If you follow me already and you have seen my makeups before and all that, you know that I'm not a primer person. So I really love to use moisturizers, my serums, and use my skincare as a base for my makeup. So that's what I do. So I wanted to use the foundation the same way I use my other products every day. It's beautiful. I really like how lightweight it feels on the skin. Wow. First impressions, I really love how the skin is looking. This time I nailed it on the color because if you remember the last time I did a Nars foundation trial, I think it was in one of my most viral makeup videos, one of them. I'm gonna link the video here so you can go check it out. I didn't get the color right. So it was a little too dark on my skin tone. So when I tried the foundation, even though I loved the foundation consistency and how it looked in my face, it was a little too dark. So it was like kind of, you know, deceiving my my final thoughts about the foundation. But this time, I think I nailed it on the color. Maybe if I go to the beach or something like that, it's gonna be too light. But as of now, right now in Florida is winter time and I'm not going out and getting a suntan. It's a perfect color for me. Yeah, maybe on summertime I'm gonna have to get a darker tone, but this one is pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna show you my face. Right now I have the foundation on. You can see how glowy everything looks. You can see how beautiful actually my skin looks. It's very skin-like. There is coverage, but it's not like too much coverage. Actually, I'm passing like more foundation here just to see if I can build it up, like the coverage, and you can, but still it's not gonna be too much. So that's great. You can actually apply a little bit more and build a little bit more coverage, but it's not gonna be very full coverage. It's gonna be still very skin-like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish my face and eye makeup, and I'm gonna be back with you guys and tell you what I used, and so you can see the final look. After that, you're gonna see the checkups and all that, and at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you my final comments and opinions about the foundation. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look, the makeup already done. I did set my face, and I used for this the One Size Beauty translucent powder. I really love this powder. It's very nice for my skin. I have combo skin, so that's why I set it the entire face. And I use as a bronzer the Liz Beauty bronzer. I also use concealer for concealer, Born This Way multi-use concealer, which is one of my favorites, and I really wanted to use products that I already use and love so we can judge the foundation alone, and we're not trying new things along with the foundation and we don't know what was going on with the face. And for the eyes, I did a very simple, like washed out pink eye, and I use this beautiful eyeshadow palette that Huda Beauty released for the lunar year, and I use these two colors in here. This color actually is beautiful, the one in the middle, because it's like a duochrome type of thing. Let me see if you can see the duochrome effect over there. I'm not sure, but it's beautiful. So just in case that you were wondering. Right now, let me show you. The time is 8:57 in the morning, so I'm going to be checking again around 3 o'clock and see how my face is going. Again, I have combo skin. I didn't want to use any highlighters or anything that gives glow to my face because I want to see how the foundation reacts on my face, which is generally very glowy in the center. So I'm going to be checking again one more time, like around 3-ish, and see how everything is going, and then at the end of the video you will see my final thoughts. See you next time. Okay, so this is the first check-in. You can see how the skin is looking. Right now it's 3:10 in the afternoon, and I'm sorry if you listen to a lot of noise because I'm outside at the balcony, so you can see how my skin is looking during daylight. And I see a couple of patches already, like oil coming through, but nothing too dramatic or something that doesn't happen with other foundations. It does happen with other foundations, but the skin is looking pretty nice, pretty decent, very skin-like, very nice. It's wearing very nice. So let's see how it's gonna look at the end of the night, and see you guys later. Okay, so this is the last check-in, and you can see how my skin is looking. It's pretty glowy. I don't want to say that it's super oily. I will say that it's more glowy because I didn't like sweat or anything like that today. This is actually how my skin will look with any other foundation, so it's pretty good. I really feel like my skin look like skin. I don't feel like it's too cakey, even though I prep my skin with moisturizer and stuff like that, which is very glowy and, you know, very dense. The foundation reacted very good, so that's great. Right now is 6:53, so it's been what, like 10 plus hours maybe that we wear the foundation, and it's looking great. I just wanted to blot a little bit, like apply a little tiny bit of powder in case that you want to see how it looks after you retouch it, and just a very tiny bit on the center of my face. And great, it's looking very good. Like if you retouch, this is how it would look. I kept it glowy here so we can keep like the highlight situation that it's going on, but it's wearing very nice. Around my mouth, of course, it removed a little bit because I was eating, and you touch your mouth the whole day drinking water and stuff like that, so that's normal. Would I recommend the foundation? Of course, it's a beautiful foundation. It's a beautiful product. I think it's worth it, definitely. If you want to try it out for everyday use, or if you're that person that don't like very dense or matte foundations, this is the one that you're gonna love for everyday use. And that's it, guys. That's my 2 cents. Let me know what you think about the foundation on the comments below, and if you have any other foundations that I should try. I have this over here. So let me know in the comments if you want me to try it out, also do a word test. I would love to do it if you really want to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me thumbs up if you love this video, share it with your friends, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye. Yo.